style message. Cyclothon campaign 2021, which is organized by Primary Health Center Aldana, to all of us who are present over here. Yes.
ऑर्गनायझरांचे हांव पयलीं अभिनंदन करता. खरेंच एक फिटनेस जाय मनशाक हेल्थ सांबाळटा जाल्यार फिटनेस हो एक पार्ट आसा. आतां रोड सेफ्टी वीक चालू मंथ चालू आसा. रोड सेफ्टी म्हणटकीर प्रत्येकाक दिसता आपलो भुरगो जेन्ना उतर घेवन भायर वयता तेन्ना तो सेफ आपल्या घरांनी पावचो म्हणून. पूण एक एकदां आतां एक आमचे तरणाटे अशे नेग्लेक्ट करता हेल्मेट कितें हेल्मेट आनी बात्याक ते. पूण हे हेल्मेटूच तुमकां फाल्यां सेव करूं शकता. अशें दुर्घटना घडची न्ही पण समज घडली जाल्यार ते हेल्मेटूच तुमकां सेव करूं शकता. एक एकदां पुलीस तेन्ना रस्त्यार रावन तांकां स्टॉप डायरेक्शन दिता तेन्ना ते आनी स्पीड वाडयता आनी रॉंग सायडीन गाडी काडटा आनी खंयची एक वायोलेशन चुकोवपाक दुसरो वायलेट करता. तें आनी डेंजर. ऑपोजीट डायरेक्शनान जर गाडी त्या स्पिडीन रिटान येयली आनी तुमचे धरून मारली जाल्यार ते आनी कितें नाका आसलें घडोवंक शकता. तेन्ना हात पांय मोडलो आनी कितें हेड इंजुरी जाली. हेड इंजुरी सदांच सांबाळपाक जाय. हेड इंजुरी इम्पॉर्टंट. हेड इंजुरी जाली की मनीस ताका आनी कांय ना. हात पांय मोडले जाल्यार 1-2 म्हयने 3 म्हयन्यान बरें जावंक शकता. पूण हेड इंजुरी जाली की मनीस वचोंकूय शकता. तेन्ना हेल्मेट इम्पॉर्टंट. आतां हेल्मेट घालतना लोक बेश्टेच ते हेल्मेट माथ्यार दवरता ते बेल्ट बांदिना कांय ना तें आनी डेंजर.
दोतर हांव काडटा मागीर तुमकां सेंड करता. हांगा
Our movements, our life is back in action. So that is also fit in the movement which is encouraged by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And of course, when I speak about road safety, आता आमचे अनय देसाईन ऑलरेडी सांगलें आसा. रोड सेफ्टी सगळें खबर आहा आमच्या देशान देर इज नो प्रॉपर सिस्टम. आमी काडटात मोटरसायकल गाडी चलयतात आनी पळयना फाटीं फुडें. क्रॅश हेल्मेट घालपाची गरज आसा. टुडे इफ यू हर्ड हेड इंजुरी शास्त्रांक ते पळोव इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू कम बॅक. फाल्यां हाडां तर मोडली कितें तर जालें इट टेक्स टायम यू रिकवर बट यू वोंट बी ऑफ द सेम कसो तुमी नॅचरल जावचे ना कितें डिफेक्ट करता. सो इट्स व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक ऑलवेज से वी आर बॉर्न वन्स वी गॉट टू लिव इट वेल. सो कुयदाद घेवपाची एकदम गरज आसा.
Outdoor sports are very important. Because of COVID, actually all these things have taken a back seat because this whole year couldn't go out much. So now slowly we have to start coming to our routine, and this is the way we have started. The National Girl Child Day, everybody is aware that is such a girl child ratio of girl children is reducing in our society, and it is not a sign of a healthy society. So to promote this birth of girl child, where so many measures are being taken by our Honorable Prime Minister, and in view of this, we have to make awareness about the importance of girl children and the importance of educating a girl child. These programs are conducted. And national road safety, of course, I need not emphasize on the issue of road safety. In our own tiny state, there are so many deaths due to road accidents, and it's very heartbreaking. And usually, it is the young people who succumb to these road accidents. So, because of this, every year we have this awareness, but it should be not every once in a while, but every day we should be aware of the road safety measures, and everyone should observe all the traffic safety measures. So, in order to create awareness of all these three things, this event we had conducted today, I won't take much time because we have been waiting for quite long time and we all must be tired. So, we'll
and seeing the beautiful village of Aldona. Why we specifically hold this cycle rally? This is our second time. Last year we had one, and this is our second time. So just to make all the young people plus the elderly aware of the benefits of cycling. So as our Prime Minister has started the Fit India movement, so we are just taking one step in this movement, making all the young people aware about the benefits of cycling. During this lockdown period, we have seen many youth just passing time by watching mobiles, playing video games, and all. Really, because of the lockdown, their physical activities were also in the under lockdown. But as unlock has started, we are seeing people have really taken the initiative to keep themselves fit. So in this regard, we had a meeting, we had discussed. So it is an innovative way in making aware of all the benefits of physical exercises. So physical exercises does not only keep you away from non-communicable diseases like hypertension, diabetes, but it also gives you a mental peace, mental relief from all the mental stress, because during cycling you get to see the nature, and we in Aldona we have such a beautiful environment. There are so many places we can visit. So I request everybody to at least do some physical exercises. Not if they don't have cycle, at least go for a walk. 20 minutes in a day is necessary to keep all your heart diseases away. I request you, and I hope you continue this cycling not only for this day but throughout the year, and hope you participate in our next cycle rally also. And till then, drive long and
healthy and safety week, monthly safety week. Maybe आमच्यामध्ये असं आमचे Dr. Pritam Naik, health officer, all the medical officers, Dr. Gauri, Shabish, Mihir, and all the medical officers and staff and all the participants, Vinod and Bhavana. Actually, already माहिती दिली असं की youth always say youth is the future of the nation, and youth comes once in a lifetime. सो आमचे यूथ भाव सगळे सांगता तांचे बरे भशेन आपले जिवीत फुडें तांचें दवरचें. इट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, वेरी गर्ल और बॉय, बिकॉज इफ योर यूथ इज गुड, एवरीथिंग गोज गुड, द फ्युचर गोज गुड, द फॅमिली इज हॅपी, आवय बापूय पयशे आसता, आमचें राज्य बरें जाता, आनी नेशन इज वेरी प्राउड ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस, एंड वी टेक द नेशन अहेड. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट ईच एंड एवरी यूथ टू बी ऑन द रायट पाथ, रायट गायडन्स. एज आमचे सगळे नेट इंटरनेट सगळे आसा, सो तुमकां कितें नॉलेज बी जाय इमिजिएट नेटार घेतलें तुमकां नॉलेज मेळटा. एंड कीप अवे फ्रॉम ऑल द मेल प्रॅक्टिसीस, ऑल द अनवॉन्टेड थिंग्स लायक एडिक्शन, हें आमी मातशें पयस दवरचें. आनी कितें जालें इमिजिएटली तुमी आवय बापूय घेवन नाल्यार तुमी टिचरीक मेळून तुमी गायडन्स घेवन तुमी बरे भुरगे जावचे, हें म्हजी विनंती आसा. तशेंच गर्ल्स, नॅशनल गर्ल्स डे इज अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. गर्ल, if I have to say personally, girl is everything. Girl is a sister, is a wife, is a mother, is a daughter, all that. Finally, girl is an asset. And सांगले ते प्रमाणे ते डॉक्टरांची आयज आमी डिस्क्रिमिनेट करता गर्ल्स. गोंयांत तरी जायना ते बाकीच्या राज्यांत जाता. एक समज चेडून जल्म घेता तांकां जाल्यार दे डू द एडवर्स थिंग विच इज नॉट करेक्ट. फायनली गर्ल इज एन एसेट. So it's very very important to ensure that girl is totally given all the facilities. पयलीं आमचे जल्म घेतकच ते आमचे सामाव करता, सगळ्या गाडीचें सामाव करता. मागीर शी इज ऑल्सो टुडे शी इज इन पार वीथ द मॅन. So it's important that a girl child has to be given best of education, best of all the other facilities, and not look upon it, because today the girl, as I said, is an asset. And she's a part with boys, because we Prime Minister Dr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and also our Chief Minister, always they are working towards the empowerment of women. So it is the responsibility of each and every citizen to ensure that the girl child is taken care of. When it comes to feeding the movement, Prime Minister Narendra Modi Sangla, fitness, if you keep yourself fit, you keep all the disease away. आमचे हेल्थ बरें उरता. So all the yoga, cycling, playing different games, indoor, outdoor is very, very important. And today the most important in this pandemic times, and जे महामारी आमच्या सगळ्यांक गोमाला कितले आमकां त्रास जाल्ले आसा. आजकाल आयज आमचे भुरगे पळय भायर सरले, तांच्यांनी बरें सायकलींग केलें 5 किलोमिटर, बरें दिसलें न्हू. एन्जॉयड इट. आतां